how to create this glowing effect on your button. So in HTML, here is our button. Inside the button we have wrote subscribe, and this is our CSS. You can see here I have targeted the button and gave the background color crayon, font size 20 pixel, and padding 10 pixel, 40 pixel, and border radius 5 px. So let's check it. So this is our button, and now we will create here glowing effect. So here we will give box shadow 005 px, and color will be crayon. Again, comma 0 0 25 pixel, and color will be same. Let's check it. Now I will create the hover effect. So now let's hover this button, hover, and here we'll give box shadow, and similarly we will give here 0 0 and 100 px, and color will be same. Again 0 0, and now will be 200 px, and color will be same, crayon. And let's copy this value. We will paste there by giving comma. Now let's check it. You can see our glowing effect is created. Let's remove this border and give the transition. So here will be border none, and let's give transition. All is, and 0.5 second. Let's check it. Now it's looking better.